Alright, so here's the first problem on your review. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is factor the denominator, which is going to be x plus 4 times x minus 2. Okay, so our domain is always all real numbers, except for what makes the denominator 0. So what would make the denominator 0 would be -4 and +2, which means our POD is also -4 and +2. Now we got to go to the type. So now we want to see, can I cancel anything out? And the answer to that is yes. I can cancel out the x plus 4s, which leaves me with 1 over x minus 2. So this one's a little bit different than we're used to because one could be removed and one couldn't be removed. So we have a removable and a non-removable. So the types of POD are going to be both. The removable one is going to be a whole, and the non-removable one is going to be a vertical asymptote. Now for the x-intercept, you set the numerator equal to 0. So if I take 1 equals 0, that's not true, so this one's going to be none. So there's not going to be an x-intercept. Then for the y-intercept, you plug in 0 for x. So 1 over 0 minus 2, which is 1 over -2. So that's going to be our y-intercept, 0, -1/2. And then I already give you the horizontal asymptote. So now I'm going to plot what I already have. You always do the vertical asymptote first. Remember, you got to wait until the end to do the whole. So there's a vertical asymptote at 2. There's a y-intercept at 0, -1/2. And there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So that's what we have so far. Now from there, I told you guys you have to pick points to the left or right of the vertical asymptote. So if it's at 2, I want to pick points to the right, and I want to pick points to the left. So I'm going to pick 1 and -1, 1 and -1. I already have 0, so I don't need to plug that in. And I'm also going to pick 3, 4, and 5. Those are the points I'm going to be plugging in. Okay? And you plug it in here. So you're going to have 1 over 1 minus 2, 1 over -1 minus 2, 1 over 3 minus 2, 1 over 4 minus 2, 1 over 5 minus 2. So when you plug those in, for -1, you get -1/3. For 1, you get -1. 3, you get 1. 4, you get 1/2. And 5, you get 1/3. So now if I plot those points, and then I'm going to connect them. Okay, now the last part, and especially because you're going to be doing this in pencil, is you got to find the whole. So the whole is at -4. So I'm going to go to where x equals -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to find where the graph is, which is right here. Now typically if you use pencil, you would erase and then you're going to put a hole there.